The Sears.
The Sears Suburban loader that hasn't been running since 6 months. Ooh, I'm splitting my shorts.
Those are fabulous.
Wait for the water to hit. No. Now, I'm going to guess that it's virtually out of gas. And it's out of focus too. Okay. Don't stand by the exhaust in case it backfires. Oh, that clutch is sore on the sore foot. That started up way too easy. I think I have to start giving problems, but it is like plus 25 outside. And I just had my fingers in front of that, didn't I? I gotta use it to pull the fence wire. Come on, turn! There we go. Didn't want to turn, I couldn't stand. I gotta use it to pull the fence wire a little bit tighter. What is Proxy getting into? I can't tell. Doing something she shouldn't be doing. Don't close in the wind gate or I'll take your door right off. Now is this going to fit is the question, eh? Yep. It might be tight in here, we'll see. I tried to measure. Yeah, it doesn't fit. Board, nails in the board. Okay. Now I gotta get it ready and hook it to the fence and pull that wire and hope I don't pull all those poles down. Gee, I don't know why the caution's up. Maybe because my phone is hot from being in the sun. Just using a loader to stretch the fence a little bit. Kind of playing around with the dog run. Those top boards there are going to be removed. But I might put some light mesh across the top. Well, the fence doesn't look the greatest, but it's already Monday morning. Basically, just tightening up that wire. I started to run a little bit of sand up on the edge there, but that's just temporary. Most of the sand will have to go on the outside. Then put some stripping across the corner to hold the net so it can never come off. It never will. It kind of looks bad, and that's kind of slivery, but hey, I got a whole skid of it. So did a bunch of other stuff inside that I won't show on camera, and yeah, Roxy getting a little bit of a morning workout, and goats are in the front pen. Is it funnier than watching TV? I'm watching, making a video. Can she see? Okay, go inside so Proxy does. She won't come in otherwise. I got a cookie for her. Proxy, cookie. Cookie.
Come on, baby.
Go on.